Tired of a cluttered kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is your ultimate solution, making cooking simpler and faster. This incredible device combines 9 appliances into one: a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, sterilizer, and even a cake maker. Imagine freeing up counter space and mastering diverse recipes with just one versatile appliance. Customization is key with 15 smart programs, letting you perfectly cook everything from soup to poultry, chili to grains, all at the touch of a button. No more guesswork. Simply select your desired dish and let the Instant Pot do the work, making it the best kitchen gadget for any home chef. Plus, its durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, safe cooking and super easy cleanup, a huge win for busy weeknights. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its advanced safety features and smart design, promising consistent, delicious results every single time. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? Check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus for yourself by clicking the Amazon link in our description below. For anyone searching for the perfect pressure cooker or the ultimate kitchen upgrade in 2025, this is a must-buy. Seriously, the Instant Pot Duo Plus delivers unmatched convenience and culinary possibilities, making it our top recommendation.